Thank you for joining the Build Overview for eSchool Data version 10.5. Today we're going to go over some of the newly enhanced items included in this release. The first items that we're going to cover are the new permissions included in this release. If we navigate to System Administration and Group Maintenance, under Multi-Tab Controls, you're going to see a new permission for the student profile to enable a tab for the administrative journal. Along with this administrative journal permission, you're going to want to make sure on the module level side under Miscellaneous, down at the bottom, you'll see administrative journal permissions for adding a new record, viewing the record, editing, or deleting. Additionally, under the menu level permissions, under interoperability, you're going to see menu items for Google and Microsoft. This is to enable single sign-on. The next item we're going to take a look at is a setup for single sign-on. In order to enable single sign-on, you're going to go to Interoperability, Partners, and either Google or Microsoft. Under each, you're going to see the single sign-on settings. If you would like to enable single sign-on, you're just going to switch this to yes, and then you're going to enter in your allowable domains. Each domain should be separated by a comma. You can have as many domains as needed. Once you're finished, you're going to save the record, and then single sign-on is set up in your district. Additionally, with the enabling of single sign-on, in order to actually see the button to launch the Google or Microsoft, you're going to want to direct your staff members to your district-specific URL. This URL can be found under Interoperability, ESP, and Settings. And on the login page, you're going to see the district URL, and you're going to find the top URL for the main application. When this is launched, you're going to see the Sign in with Google or Sign in with Microsoft option. The login for single sign-on is going to validate against the staff email that's included in the user account. This email can be verified under System Administration and User Maintenance. You can either edit the record to see the email address for an individual staff member, or you can go to User Security Information and export the list to Excel. This Excel output is going to have the email address column included so you can search for any duplicates or see if there are any staff members missing email addresses in their user account. The next item we are going to cover is the administrative journal. After enabling the permissions for the administrative journal on the student profile, you're going to want to also make sure that you enable the different journal types for the administrative journal. So to do that, we're going to go to the System Main tab and Code subtab. And then in this Custom Codes dropdown, we're going to find the journal log type. From there, you're going to see all of your existing log types and the different journals that they are allowed to be selected for. Any that you would like to have available for the administrative journal, you're going to edit. And then on this edit screen, you're going to select the Is Admin Log, and then you'll save that record. When you navigate to the student profile, you'll see the Administrative Journal tab, and the journal entry page looks the same as the other existing journals. You'll select a new journal, you'll put in the log date, and then you'll have in the dropdown any of those selected log types. Additionally, under Reports and Journal, you will find the Administrative Journal entries available to search for in the report as well. The next update that we're going to go over is the new People Search feature. When navigating to Registration and Guardians, you're going to find a new option to allow users to search by persons. This is going to allow you to search for any record that is associated with a student. So this report will now include emergency contact types as well as guardian contact types so that you can see all records and all contacts that are currently in the system and their association with any households and students. And the final updates for today can be found within Guru. Within Guru, if we navigate to the Zap Marketplace and install a new Zap, you're going to find two new options for the Zap. You'll have the Calling System Staff Demographics and the Calling System Student Demographics. The final updates are under the Guru profiles. You're going to find two new entity types. The first is the ability to import student assets. This is going to use template 67. And additionally, you have the ability to import student fee information, which will use template 71. That concludes the highlights for release 10.5. Please visit the release notes tab within the help site for more information.